Hello everyone, this is a Dayton 20-inch box fan with metal blade. The model number is 4C418, and I got this at a garage sale for $3. And I've always kind of wanted one of these metal bladed box fans. In this case it's a Lakewood P24 that was just rebranded for Granger. And it has a grounded cord on it, which the Lakewood ones wouldn't. Other than that, it's the same. And this is the condition I found it in. I haven't cleaned it or anything. After I do, I'll probably take a new video of it. But here's the back, as you can see, very dirty. Obviously missing a few grill slats. You know, that is what it is. But for $3, it's pretty cool. Like a lot of these box fans, I'm not real overwhelmed by the amount of air movement, especially for how loud it is. But let's see what we got here. Here's high. Medium. It does stir up some of the dog hair laying around on my floor. And low. Definitely a good runner, though. No denying that. Anyway, hopefully one of these days I'll find the motivation to clean it, shine the blades up, make it look really nice. At which point I'll take a new video of it. But that's it for now. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed.